Hi, folks. This is Raj, founder of Carigaar. I'm back again with some news and updates. Today, we will discuss what businesses we can start tomorrow with zero to no investments. Everyone wishes to become an entrepreneur, and today we will discuss few businesses which we can start with no investments. Finding the right idea is a difficult task and sometimes can be challenging. But most important is to look for an idea which can be affordable. Here we share few ideas which we can start instantly if we have skills or resources. Like ACO expert, if you know the ins and outs in search engine like Google Ads, Google Analytics, then you can become an ACO expert, helping many small business owners in educating them and explaining them about the power of SEO. Also, to help transform their website and increase conversion rate. Then comes social media expert. If you know the ins and outs about Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, then can help small businesses to manage, handle posts, and prepare contents for them. As their followers count increase, so as your business. Online retailing can online retailing can also be a great business. You can choose some unique products that are hard to find in the market. This will differentiate your business from others and will increase demand in the market. Launching an online store is very simple. You just need a web platform with integration of cart and payment gateway, then delivery service. Then the next one is website developer. If you have the knowledge of digitization, then can start developing websites for small business owners to increase their online presence. Also, if you know HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, it will make things easier and better. By displaying your work, you can find more potential customers. Then there is blogging. If you can write well, then you can start blogging. It is an excellent idea. Very simple to start. Just need to create a website which you can do from Weebly or from WordPress. But to gain followers, you need to write continuously with good content that creates value. Once your writing gets consistent, then you can start make money by selling products, online courses, studying online, online books, etc. Also, you can sell ad space or sponsored posts. This might take time and effort to get monetized, but you have to keep in mind monetizing a blog will take time. Then selling online, you can sell products online with help of Shopify or Etsy, like handmade products which have high demands. If the product quality is good and it's unique, then surely you can increase sales. But if you can make the products on your own, then surely more profits can be earned. Like if you can make those products at home and sell them online, then definitely you're gonna make more money than buying products from others. Then technical freelancer. You have application developing skills, then surely this can be a good option. You can provide remote technical support and maintenance. Also, you can use job boards like Fiverr, Upwork, etc. to promote and source technical works. This requires zero cost to start, and you can, if you have the skill, you can start instantly. These are the few businesses you can start at low to zero costs. This is our today story. Again, next week we'll be back with some more updates. Thanks to everyone and have a wonderful week ahead. Thank you.